Good morning and happy Monday. This week for Second Steps, we are going to be focusing on how being assertive can help you join and invite others to join a group. So today, you're going to be playing a game called the Merge Machine. E-learners, you can play with adults at home or siblings. And here's how it goes. One person will start by making a movement that resembles a working machine. The next person will merge or join in by adding their own movement to the machine. The next movement must make sense with the other one because you are trying to create a single unit, a working machine. Each person in class will add his or her movement until the machine is complete. Once you're finished, you will answer these questions. How did it go? Did it run smoothly? Was it difficult? What could you have done differently to make it go smoother? So that was number 1. And number 2 says, what does it mean to be assertive? So think and then write your answer. What does it mean to be assertive? Last time you learned how important it is to be assertive when making a respectful conversation and giving and receiving compliments. This week you'll continue practicing being assertive while learning skills to join in.